The Krueger Building, located at 140 East Main in beautiful downtown Bozeman, Montana. It's located right in the heart of downtown on the corners of Main and South Bozeman. Let's take a little bit of a deeper dive into this property. It is a legacy investment opportunity. It was originally constructed in 1885 and renovated back in 2007. This building is the iconic property in historic downtown Bozeman that everybody knows. It's got some of the finest establishments forming the unique hub of downtown. So the offering price is $13,395,000. The building size in total is 25,252 square feet. That basically works out to about $530 a square foot. The lot size itself is 8,538 square feet. And last year's taxes were right around $59,000. So again, I mentioned some of the awesome tenants that are in this building. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so first up, we have Blackbird. This is often cited as one of the best restaurants in Bozeman. It's the beloved farm-to-table Italian favorite in Bozeman. I've eaten there many times. It's small, it's quaint, the food is amazing. I highly recommend you guys go. Blackbird has been there for several years. You can see again, it is a small and intimate restaurant, so plan ahead. Okay. The next tenants that we're going to take a look at is Rice Fine Thai Cuisine. Now, you've probably heard of them. They are a national chain. We have a few located here in Bozeman. There's also one located in Belgrade. Rice offers exceptional Thai food. They've been there also for quite a while, a mainstay of downtown Bozeman. And the third tenant in the property on the first floor is Glove Beauty Shop. Now, it's a beauty shop that is based on mindfulness, transparency, and wellness. They carry not only green, clean, and non-toxic beauty products, but they also believe in them and they trust them. Okay, now we move up to the second and third floors, and this is all occupied by JLF Architects. All right, they're a design-build firm based in Bozeman and Jackson Hole, Wyoming. They specialize in building dream homes in the Intermountain West and around the world. So if you're looking to invest in Bozeman and you want an iconic building that comes with tenants, this might be the one for you. Reach out, give me a call, email me. I'll be happy to talk to you about this, or we can even go and take a look.